With another episode, we're going to analyze these pairs and see how the market is going to behave this week. It has been a while since I've updated you guys on how far we are going, so you can see I've updated my watch list of the currencies I've been trading. So this way last week's trades I did not trade much because of all this Trump stuff. I was having some challenges adjusting to my trading strategy. But now I think I've adjusted it to some point where I can see we can take some trades and get some profits. So welcome to the channel. Let's start the analysis. We are going to start from the 4-hour time frame because it's the bigger time frame and it's where we see the overall trend. So I'm going to clear all these charts. So you can press this reset. You can see what has been happening here. Mostly the market has been consolidating. Just the news has mostly been affecting the market. But let's continue. So this is how our analysis for this week is going to be. If you don't know how to make these tools come here, just come to the watch bar here. You just put them into your favorites, they'll come here. So we're going to be using this horizontal ray to project where the price has been or where it is now going. Because if I reset it here, we can see this is the lowest point the price has come, and that's the highest point price has gone for AUSD. So this in the 4 hours. We go to the 1 hour time frame and see what's going on. So in the 1 hour time frame, the market has been consolidating since Monday last week. So we are going to put our levels here to see where the market is going next. So what we can see, it's an uptrend, but the market's really an uptrend, but with a lot of consolidating. So we should be careful on how we're going to trade. So we shall go now to the 15 minutes time frame and check for our level to draw our zones and see for possible entries. Like this level, it has been respected multiple times. We're going to put our zone here, and the market's an uptrend, so this down zone is just for purposes of just seeing the price retesting it and going up. It's not a purpose where we're going to place a trade, it's just for retest. Like this week, what has happened here, it just came to retest and it's going up. So, and mostly it's coming to this zone. So we're also going to put another zone here. This is going to be for Monday. If price comes and breaks this zone, it must come here. So we're going to put a buy order. The buy order is going to be here. We're risking 90 to so this is going to be an uptrend for tomorrow. So this is for AUSD. We're looking for buys tomorrow or this week. We're going to see a lot of buys compared to sales. So let's come to GDP, British pound, and the Japanese yen. Last week's trades were here, a little bit complicated, but they went all good. So we're going to reset it, come back to the 4-hour chart. And then we reset. We can see last week it was a downtrend, but it's now an uptrend, because here is our 4-hour level of last week on Wednesday. It was broken on Friday. On Friday a new level has been formed. So we're going to clear everything, or you can just, if you don't feel like clearing everything, you can clear with the 1 hour and the 15 minutes time frame zones, but I prefer removing everything, drawing everything afresh. So here it is, just the same, not hard, very easy to do. Put your levels where you have seen, like this is the highest point the market has ever come this week. It was on Friday, March, and then the lowest was on Thursday of April. So this is our zone. This is where the market is going to go up and come down, go up and come down. So for now we are seeing an uptrend because we are seeing break of higher highs. So it has broken this higher high. So the next higher high it's coming for is total that one. We go to the 1 hour time frame to see for the current ones. So like here in the 1 hour time frame, you can see break and retest. So this is the valid 1 hour time frame where a price come down to just end here and continue up. So if you're looking for short sales, we're going to scalp within this period. Yeah, and then also the highest in the 1 hour is here. So I go to the 15 minutes to go and see for possible entries. Here in the 15 minutes, what I can say, here is the lowest before it has broken to that high. So this is going to be our level in case for short-term sales if price breaks here. But most times what I know, price is going to come and retest and continue to the upside. And all these two pairs, what I've seen is that they are all having an uptrend. Here is going to be our next level of buy interest. We are going to put our level of buy because this is what I've seen that's going to happen. Here, the rate 300 pips. Just depends, but I want to raise to 50 pips. That's like 25 pips to make 1 to 2. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit far from our level here. It's going to take time before reaching there. But if price moves on well tomorrow, this is what we are going to look for. Yeah, we are done with GDP. JPY, we are going to Great British Pound versus the US dollar. Here it has been a consolidation. It has been really consolidation. The market is in an uptrend. It has come to retest. You can see in the 4 hour time frame, it has gone up, broken this high. It has retested, has broken this high. It has gone, it has come back to retest. So what are we saying? To continue up. We are going to clear away these trend lines, these drawings, and see for the coming week, which is Monday now. This is where the zone is going to be. This is where it's going to end. So yeah, that's for the 4 hour here. So we know that there is a level here. The price first going to go and retest that level before doing any shit. And now here we're in the 1 hour. In the 1 hour we have really this consolidating area where price is just moving within, not going any far. Now from here, let's go to the 15 hour time frame. This market, you can see sharp moves are happening. So low that's been broken, that's been retested. So this is the lower low we're seeing. If price breaks it, it must come here before continuing. But we're not looking for sales. We are going to be waiting for this level to be broken. So yeah, for the trades, buy. These pairs mostly we are looking for buys. I don't know why, but that's what the charts are showing us. Monday, Tuesday, they are all buys. The last pair is Bitcoin USD. Yeah, Bitcoin USD has really moved. Even I'm in a trade, so you can see this trade I placed on. I put on it earlier today. It's just 1 to 2. That's also you can check the analysis. We come back to the 4 hours. You can see Like if I reset it, this is the low and this is the high, it has gone. Now when you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can also see this is the high, it has come, and this is the low. So I'm expecting price to come here or break just to retest this level before coming down or going up. And then this is, we go to the 15 hours 15 minutes to check on our confirmation. Yeah, price has broken our zone, that's closed even beyond our zone. So we have seen here, so that's why we are in this trade, and it's a buy, it's an uptrend, so everything is okay, the confluence, everything. So we are waiting for this trade to check it out tomorrow how it has gone, then I'll update you guys. So guys, thank you for checking on me, checking on my YouTube account. Let's grow the community. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. So yeah, about last week's video, I've made some updates on the trend, on the strategy I was doing. That week's strategy was break and retest. When the market creates a low, it retests before going down. But I've changed it because of a lot of manipulation, a lot of news, a lot of information has been coming out causing the strategy to misbehave. Like there are a lot of big markets, they manipulate things, they make a lot of dirty charts. It's very hard to understand. So this strategy that I've come up with, it requires drawing of levels, support and resistance. So we wait for the break or break of support or resistance, then we're in a downtrend. We just wait for break of support zones, then we shall be in for sales. In an uptrend, we wait also for break of support zones, resistance zones, then we shall be good in for buys. Yeah, like here we wait for price to break, we're in for buy. Here for price to break, we're in for buy. It's not like for last time where we wait for break and retest. Here, just here, this is where you put your buy. 250 pips, depends on which pair you're trading. Boom, to that next zone that you are anticipating. But just the risk to reward is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, minimum 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Yeah, with this strategy, I guarantee you guys, you will learn a lot, and it's kind of fast. It's not like the one for before you take a lot of losses. With this one, you take a lot of profits. Yeah, so I hope you guys will understand. Yeah, and see you next time. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.